para surprise.
Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na, ayun na.
Yun!
Okay! Mr. Photogenic, candidate number 11, Christopher Baldonado.
Alright. Congratulations sa ating Mr. and Miss Photogenic. Now we move on to our wear.
Ang bilis. Sobrang mabilis po ang ating tabulation ngayon because of MSC. At ulitin po natin, ang nagbigay po ng ating swim, Len Regala. Kita niyo naman talagang shining, shimmering si Tito Eddie ngayon.
Please join us on stage, yung Lacan swimwear. Sino ba ang may pinakabagay doon sa kanilang swimwear?
Kasuotan, hindi.
Alam mo, may ganun ako sa bahay.
Really?
Oh, iba-ibang kulay.
Yes, I wanna see that sometime. Okay.
Okay, ang ating Lacan swimwear.
Sabi nyo, 6? Kayo, sino? Ha? 9? Lacan swimwear contestant, the winner is candidate number... Candidate number 6!
Swimsuit ay walang iba kundi si candidate number, drum roll please, candidate number 11.
Best in swimwear, candidate number 11 to be awarded by Tito Eddie Esconda, all the way from United States of America. Okay, so congratulations sa lahat ng ating winners. Thank you very much again, candidates. We'll see you again in a while. Thank you sa inyo.
At habang naghahanda po yung ating mga candidates para sa kanilang susunod na maisusuot para po sa inyong lahat, ito na po yung ating evening gown na part ng ating pageant. Ito naman po para naman alawin tayong lahat, isa muna ang intermission number.
Yes, once again, let's call on, please welcome back the 16th of December Coral. Palakpakan po natin sila.
I can stay awake just to hear you breathing. Watch you smile when you were sleeping. While you're far away and dreaming. It's been this way. Surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. And everyone's been with you. This moment will treasure. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream would never do. I still miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. Lying close to you, feeling your heart beating, and I'm wondering what you're dreaming, wondering if it's me you're seeing. And then I can see your eyes, and think how we're together. I just wanna stay with you in this moment forever, forever and ever. I don't wanna close my eyes. don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a day. The silhouette I dream of you, the sweetness it will never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a day. Don't wanna miss a day. Don't wanna miss a day. And I don't wanna miss a thing.
Buhay ko'y bigla nakita kasama ng bawat sandali. Kailanman di pagpapalik, ikaw ang aking sa buhay makapiling. Ngunit mahal, ikaw ay nasa aking iniibig ay ikaw lamang. Ikaw ang sagot sa aking dasal. Puso